What's going on, guys? Brandon Boyd here in Orem, Utah. I want to show you guys the tour of the brand new mining machines. Let's go check it out. Open up. So what we got here, we got our own receptionist, conference rooms. Check the markets, what's going on in Forex and crypto. So here we are at one of the mining facilities. We've got several facilities, as you can see. We've got machines here running. We're gonna go ahead and show you the rest. These are literally running 24/7 in a secured environment where you're gonna, like, they literally, look at, got name badges on, right? Like they fingerprint. They don't just let people in these facilities, so you can know that yours has its own serial number and it is protected and running and secured. Fingerprint to get in. Every single one of these rooms is filled with machines. All right, so here we are at another facility. We've got literally hundreds of machines going. With the potential, as it's mined, that you can be making money. And man, I'm telling you, you guys have the potential, absolutely the potential, to get in the largest financial market along with Forex. Crypto, start mining and have the potential to make profits and create a passive income for you. So guys, get back with the person who had you watch this video. We'll see you guys on the other side of success.